Thank you again for taking the time out to watch our videos here at the National Gear. This is one of our Davis standard 6-inch extruder boxes we're doing a full rebuild on, reline-boring the housing rather, I should say. We now have one of our top bearing distributors out here helping us do some emergency rush ordering on these bearings. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. And thank you again for taking the time out to watch our videos here at the National Gear. This was one of our large extruder, I believe it's about a 6-inch extruder for one of our clients out in Northern California. National Gear Repair did a full remanufacture, replaced every single bearing and seal, repaired the bearing wearing areas as you'll clearly see in these videos, in the video tutorial. However, unfortunately, we did not have a chance to test it on our test bench due to the thrust bearing not being enclosed. Otherwise, you would have a whole bunch of oil splashing everywhere. But this box is perfectly done. Our mechanics here at National Gear Repair reset the bearing floats and the preloads exactly the way Davis Standard recommended us to. And our work here is guaranteed for 24 months from the date of startup. And obviously we replaced some hoses for exterior reasons, repaired the pump as well, some new fittings, some new oil sight glasses, some new caps, and this box is ready to rock and roll. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to all our videos. Thank you.